How to fix screen going black while gaming on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix your screen going black while gaming on your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is the first solution that you should take in consideration is to apply the latest update. To do this, you need to press the Windows button. You need to click on the Windows button and then go with the settings option, and it will take you to your Windows settings. Now, under your settings, you need to go with Windows Update. And if you have any updates, if it says updates available like this, then you need to go with Fix Issues, or you need to retry updating the new version. If you have any installation error, then you just need simply go and retry. After updating, your problem might be fixed. But after updating, make sure that you restart your computer and then check if the problem still persists. Then moving on to the other useful solution is to update the graphic drivers. To do that, you need to right click on your Windows logo, and then you'll have Device Manager. Go with Device Manager. On your Device Manager, make sure to enable the display adapters or enlarge it, and then select the problematic driver, right click on it, go with properties, and under properties you need to go with the driver section, and here you need to go and update the driver. After updating, your problem may be fixed, but even after updating, if that doesn't fix your problem, then you can go with uninstall device, and then you can uninstall the device. And after uninstalling, you can restart, and after restarting, your laptop or your PC will automatically install the deleted driver, and it might fix your problem. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.